In Texas, at least 2 people are dead as the Smokehouse Creek fire becomes the largest in that state's history, burning through 1 million acres in just a matter of days. Firefighters are now racing to contain the fire, but there are growing concerns that incoming dry and windy weather could just fan the flames. CNN's Camila Bernal is on the ground in Fritch, Texas, where, Camila, we can see behind you just scorched earth.
Yeah, Jess, it's truly devastating and heartbreaking. And we're also feeling that wind, those wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour. It's been hot throughout the day, really the hottest it's been over the last couple of days, and it's dry. So it's difficult for those firefighters as they continue to fight these flames. The largest fire in the state right now, more than 1 million acres burned and only about 15% containment. So it has been a difficult weekend of firefighting. And in the meantime, it's making it also difficult for the families that are trying to clean up. The Johnson family here told me they were going to be working in their cleanup efforts all day, but because the wind has been so strong, they have not been able to do that. This is the home where they raised their family more than 20 years here. And of course, when they came here for the first time, they were in shock. They were heartbroken. They're telling me that they're starting that mourning process, but it's difficult both financially and emotionally. And it's impacted the cattle industry here in the Texas Panhandle because 85% of the cattle in the state is raised here in this area. So you're seeing ranches, entire big ranches that went up in flames and lost so many heads of cattle. And so it's that rebuilding process, starting from zero, trying to figure out exactly what they're going to do next. But it's been extremely difficult, and they know that this is just the beginning, Jessica.
Yeah, so much devastation there. Camila Bernal for us in Texas. Thank you so much. And CNN's Elisa Raffa is in our weather center with more on that incoming weather that officials say could cause the fire to spread. Elisa, we just saw Camila there, her hair blowing in the wind. That is not, you do not want wind where there is fire.
No, and the wind gusts will continue to pick up as we go through the night tonight and then even into Sunday. We have red flag warnings in effect for 13 million people from the Texas Panhandle, where Camila just was, into the Oklahoma Panhandle, even stretching into western Kansas and Nebraska. Another set of red flag warnings in Iowa and Missouri. Here's a look at those fires. More than 1 million acres burned in parts of northern Texas with only 15% containment. You could see the burn scars from satellite. That's how large the area is. The satellites are up in space, and we can see the burn scars on the ground. So the ground is very dry and scorched. The air is very dry. Look at the relative humidity values through tonight and into tomorrow. Really only about 10 to 15%, 20% top. So the air is very dry. Then you have the winds that are kicking because of the storm that's bringing blizzard conditions to California. You're looking at gusts upwards 30, 35, even up to 40 miles per hour from Albuquerque to Amarillo, and then headed up into the Central Plains. So that's going to leave us with a critical fire weather outlook for today and tomorrow in the areas that have already had devastating wildfires the last couple of days. So again, we've got the wind, we've got the dry air, and we have these temperatures that are much above average. Highs will be in the 80s for a lot of this area through the next couple of days, which is a good 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So with the warm conditions, the wind, the dry air, again, going to make it difficult for firefighters.
Yeah, that's just not the conditions you want, Elisa. Thanks so much.